Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix "Are we there yet" game lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So let's find the solution. Well, the very first thing what you need to do is when you click on the play button, you will get two options. You have to select play with DirectX 11, and after that click on the play button and then check if the game is launching or not. If the issue still continues, move to the next method. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now select, if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. After that, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So wait for some time. After verifying the game files, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below, click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. And here you will get a repair or install option. So click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time. And after you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and again log into the game, click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable overlays. So for that, Steam users, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties and under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After disabling this, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. And once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Are We There Yet game and then click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not.